Are you new to homeschooling or just looking for some new ways to organize your homeschool year? Well, today I'm excited to give away to you some homeschool planning pages. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 children and I post videos on curriculum reviews, homeschooling tips and answers. I made a series this month for new homeschoolers to help you guys start your homeschooling program. And as the coming months come up, I'm going to be posting lots of homeschooling day in the lives. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me here, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. Today, I'm partnering with Jamie from Perfect Choice Designs, and we are going to give away to you some of her beautifully made worksheets for helping you plan your homeschool day. Perfect Choice Designs is a husband and wife team, and they create beautiful organization principles to help you guys organize your homes, your homeschool, and your life. They add pops of colors to all of their printables, and they help you with things such as paying bills, organizing the home office, homeschooling, business cards, and so much more. And today I'm excited to give away to you guys the homeschooling bundle pack. Now, if you're a new homeschooler, you're going to quickly realize that having your homeschool things organized is going to save you a lot of headache in the future. It's going to make having a portfolio, your end of the year portfolio, a lot easier if you're organizing your things throughout the whole year. So today I'm going to show you some awesome principles that Jamie from Perfect Choice Design created. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. The first sheet you're going to get is your attendance record, where you're going to be able to track your students' attendance. This comes in handy if you have to track your students' attendance that's mandated by your state, or if you just want to see how many homeschool days you guys have done for your own records. The next thing you have here is your daily planner. So here you have a schedule from 7:30 in the morning to 7:30 in the evening to help you time out and schedule your entire day. You also have your to-do list and any calls and emails and appointments. You can print out a bunch of these. You can have the whole thing bound, and this can be your homeschool planner. So every day you write down your to-do list, your calls, emails, and appointments, and your daily schedule. And if you can see how pretty all of the colors are. The next 2 sheets are the lesson planner. You have one in color and then you have one in black and white if you want to save color on your ink, but the color one is so much prettier. So here you have your different subjects, your basic subjects such as writing and reading, math, languages, science, calendar review, art, motor skills, life skills, and miscellaneous. And then you can have your lessons planned out for each day of the week. You can print one out for every child. You can do it however you want to. The next principle you have is your letter by week file tabs. So if you have little ones that you're doing letter of the week, you have some printable file tabs here that you can just cut out and slide into your little tab holders. Then you have these forms here that can be used as assignment pages. You have your reading and writing, your math, your languages, your art, calendar, and science, life skills, motor skills, and miscellaneous. So you can, then you have a blank one for any other subjects. So you can use this the way that you want to. You can either write the daily assignments on here per kid, or you can write your goals for the year on here. You can write your activities for the month. You can use this in any way that you want. You can print out as many as you want as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed those files. They are beautifully made and they're gonna really help you organize your whole homeschooling room. So if you're interested in winning one of these are the things you have to do. So head over to my Instagram at Vani_Mrs_Mom to find all the rules and the details of what you have to do to win this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.